Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I have come on tonight to show you the bag that I used today. This is the Kate Spade satchel. It's called Rowe, R-O-W-E. It's the medium size satchel. It's the top zip and it's in stone blue. This was a recent purchase that I made online. It is a beautiful leather bag with these beautiful long drops right here for the handle. There's no outside pocket on either side. Here's the bottom of the bag. It has a beautiful blue leather strap for your crossbody. This strap is not adjustable. Okay, so it does come the length it comes. I have actually just made a loop in it because today I carried it like this. So it actually gave almost like a faux sense of a loop in the bag. But that's how I carried it, by hand. It is again a non-adjustable strap. I will disconnect this for the purpose of the review. But it is a beautiful long blue strap. This is the stone blue. It does have a top zipper along the center of the bag. This zipper is connected. Okay, so your limited amount of space is just here. The zipper does not release at all. It is still connected, and you can always tuck that in there while you have your bag with you. Beautiful gold Kate Spade logo. The zipper itself is gold metal. The loops for your crossbody handle are gold, as well as the clips to attach it to the bag are gold as well. Let's take a look and see what I have inside. Zipper opens and glides very nicely. There's quite a bit of space in here. It does have two pockets along the front of the bag and one zippered along the back. I did accessorize with some gold bags this evening. I did accessorize with some gold bags today. That was my color of choice. So let's take a look and see what I have inside. In this back pocket here, I don't have anything in here. That's where I kept my telephone today. There's the Kate Spade card, your care card. I had my telephone in here. This is a book that I did pick up. It is an actual binded book. It's a journal writing book, so I've only done the first few pages. It is blank paper, scalloped edge, and I purchased this at our local bookstore that we have here. And with that, I also did the matching pencil case. I have that as well. This is the lighter shade. This is the darker shade. It is a top entry pencil case. This is vegan leather. It also has the vegan leather pull strap as well, with a gold zipper. And in here, I have a notebook that I use for groceries. I also have a pen, which is gold and pink. I also have just a very soft matte tone. Works well with this set as well. have also in here just my cosmetic bag for today. It says, "You look beautiful" on the front. It is a gold nylon bag with a clear pocket on the front and back. In here I have, as always, never leave home without these, a makeup remover pad, band-aids, a lipstick, a hair tie, powder. I have the Love Combination Hand Cream and Perfume, the Hard Candy brand. I also have in here my foundation, the Covergirl Clean and Fresh, a clear hair clasp, clip, and a black eyeliner. I also have in here what many of you have seen as my pencil case, because I've altered my pencil case for today. I've used this for another quick reach case. I have a lip liner, watermelon lemonade hand cream, a clear lip gloss, concealer, a translucent eyeshadow, an eyebrow pencil, just a brush for the eyeshadow, as well as the roller for my facial roller. I also have in here this little bag. You have all seen this little bag before. This is my little accessory bag, and I will sometimes put hair ties in here. For today, I placed a cable plug and a cord. I like to have these in a little bag so they're not so sharp when you reach into your bag day or night that you hit your fingers off of these. It can hurt, so I just put it in a little bag. I also have my headphone set. I also have in here my car keys. In the summer, I drive a Mini Coupe. That's my key right there. And to that, I have attached my Coach Skinny wallet as my wallet for the day. We're still in our pandemic here in Canada, so we do not, many stores are not accepting cash. Only a few in my office building just have a coffee shop and cafeteria in there and some fast food restaurants, but none of them accept cash, so we don't carry a lot of cash these days. So I do have all my cards if I need, and also my entry pass and my car key. In the front of the bag there are two more pockets. As you can see, the beautiful Kate Spade lining inside as well. I have in this pocket just some sun-kissed sours. And in here, I have my hand sanitizer. Sorry, these handles, as you can tell, do not collapse on this bag. So they constantly stay up. And let's see if I can hook one under my hand here. I have two felt tip pens that I use as well. I have two felt tip pens. I also have a roll-on perfume from Sarah Jessica Parker, Born Lovely. I have in here just a quick reach mascara, and as well another pen for the quick reach if I need one. Those as well. So there is the bag that I used today. This is the Kate Spade Rowe satchel, top zip, right there. I also have the card for this bag since it is on the website currently, retailing at $4.79 Canadian or $3.99 US. It is in the outlet store, so it is considerably cheaper, while I guess quantities last. It's the medium top zip satchel. There is the item number as well, WKR 00629. It is in the stone blue. There it is right there. Just a beautiful bag. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please hit the like and subscribe button. As well, hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload another video. I hope to see you soon.